Hello, I'm George Hutchings. I'm better known as the Shoeman. Over the last 2 years, people in America have given me over 370,000 pairs of shoes, and I've sold them at 35 cents a pound. The shoes have gone to South America and India and have provided footwear for people there. And I get my 35 cents a pound, and I've bought 4 of these rigs. This is the 4th. It's going to Kenya, where we are drilling water for about 120,000 people. For the last 2 years, I've been turning used shoes into drinking water. And I do that by selling the shoes and using the proceeds to buy a rig like this. This is the mask, and it's hydraulically driven and will stand up straight. I'll do that for you in a moment. This is called the quill, and the stem pipe, which is right here, attaches to it. This is a commercial grade stem pipe, 1.5 inches thick with 2-inch couplings here. And another thing, this is a very good, very hard drill bit, and it goes through earth. It will not deal through rock, but we drill down with this until we get the rock. And then this is a rock drill bit. When we hit the rock, we put this bit on, and it'll go right through. This rig will go down 400 feet and drill for, well, I think we'll crank it up and have some fun. I love this. Stem pipe. And then the cone goes on under here. We can drill down. When we hit rock, take this off and put this on. 5 feet, every 5 feet, break this off and add another 5-foot section. Take a soil sample until we finally get down to the water. All right. I gotta have my hat. This is the 4th rig that we're sending to Kenya in the last 2 years. It will be shipped very shortly. We need 100,000 pounds of shoes to buy another rig. The wonderful people who have helped me last year, I need to ask you to come and help me again this year. This is the Shoeman Water Project. This rig is going to Kenya in the next week or so, and then we start working on Haiti. We made the water run in Kenya, now we'll make the water run in Haiti. I want to thank all the donors who brought in shoes and all the wonderful people who did shoe drives. It's made possible a piece of equipment like this that will actually stop a cholera epidemic in Haiti. Their poor water is going to lead to cholera in an epidemic proportion. We'll be able to be there, and you go with me. Thank you so much.